Okay, we're back. Here we are back again for the another monthly seminar here at AusHair. This is our June 2016 seminar, and tonight we'll be presenting a topic called "Why Should Hair Loss Sufferers See a Trichologist?" Okay, so for all of you regular listeners, we only use trichologists here at our AusHair clinics. So we'll go through and give you a little bit more information about what they do. So we'll go through a quick seminar rundown of tonight's brief presentation. Firstly, we'll look at what is a trichologist. Then we'll go and look at why is a trichology consultation important for hair loss sufferers. And finally, we'll look at what's included in this consultation. So firstly, what is a trichologist? Well, basically, they are a hair and scalp specialist. Okay, so they're highly trained in the following areas. So firstly, hair and scalp science, hair and scalp diseases, of course, and many trichologists actually specialize in hair loss as well, as do the ones that we have here in our clinics. Trichologists are certified practitioners. Okay, they are accredited by the IAT, or the International Association of Trichologists. They follow a professional code of ethics, which is obviously very important. And as I've mentioned before, AusHair and the 101 Hair Company only use certified trichologists as consultants. We don't use any salespeople. Okay, so we want people that are, specialists and professionals in hair and scalp assessment and treatment. We only use those people to provide, a more unbiased and objective opinion on your hair condition. So, how do trichologists assess conditions? Well, as any healthcare professional, they usually start by gathering a clinical case history. All right. They'll also use some results of any blood or other medical tests you've had in the past or recently. Then they'll actually have a look at your hair and scalp, and they usually also use magnified imaging of the hair and scalp by using special magnified camera software. So they use all of these methods to be able to come up and tell you what's wrong with you, why you've got your hair loss condition, what's the actual cause of it. So it's a very important process to go through this assessment. And more importantly is that it's done by someone who is, well qualified and, well trained in this type of science. And just continuing on, how do trichologists treat? Well, they can use a number of different methods depending on the case, of course. But some of the treatments that they use are nutritional supplementation, such as vitamins, minerals, sometimes amino acids, especially tyrosine. I know it's a big amino acid that's used by trichologists. They might also suggest dietary modifications, which can also help the hair loss problems. They might recommend herbal supplements and products, and they can also recommend over-the-counter pharmaceutical products, depending on the hair loss case. So now let's move on and look at why a trichology consultation is so important. Well, number one, I briefly touched on this earlier, but it is very important to understand your condition. So why are you experiencing hair loss? It's a very important point to clarify right at the beginning. Are you dealing, do you have a genetic hair loss case? Are you suffering from alopecia areata, which is more of an immune system type problem? Is your hair loss due to, just a sudden, change in your stress levels? Often, emotional shock can actually cause hair loss as well. Have you changed your diet suddenly as well, or recently? That can cause hair problems as well. Also, you could have an allergy. Chemical allergies are very common and do cause a lot of acute type hair loss. A second reason why it's important to have this consultation is to understand your level of hair loss. All right, so are you at the mild, moderate, or advanced stage of hair loss? And what trichologists do is actually make reference to a medical hair loss scale, which is called the Norwood-Hamilton scale. So by doing so, we can then, we're then in a position to advise, people on, like what we can do, what type of treatments are available, and how successful they might be, and in what period of time. So, come to our third point here, is understanding what treatments are available. So it's also very important. There's a number of different treatments on the market: pharmaceutical, herbal, nutritional. Sometimes the trichology assessment will determine that there is no treatment necessary, that your hair loss condition will sort of rectify on its own in a relatively short period of time. So sometimes no treatment is necessary. So that's why we're saying it is important to have this consultation, because it could save you a lot of money if you don't actually need treatment, and it's known that in time your condition will sort of rectify. Then that's going to save you a lot of time and money. So it's good to know that information at the beginning. Number 4, important to understand how long the treatment takes to work. So in cases of advanced hair loss, it usually takes longer to see the results than the mild to moderate cases. And this is a very important point, because this could actually determine whether or not you want to use a particular treatment. Some treatments take longer to work. Other treatments have other adverse effects associated with them. You want to know this information. You want to know how quickly the treatment will be effective for you, because some people, a lot of people out there don't have much patience. So, it is good to know this before you go ahead and start a treatment, because you could again be throwing money down the drain for nothing. So it's important to know that up front. We'll move on now to what's included in the consultation. So number 1, obviously a hair and scalp analysis, where the trichologist will take a combination of normal and microscopic view photographs. And these will be to determine your scalp condition. So, do you have an oily scalp, a dry scalp, or is it a normal scalp? And also, to diagnose, your stage or level of hair loss, which is, very important, as I've briefly mentioned before. And you'll be given a full report, which is good. So you'll know exactly what condition you've got and where you stand in terms of, what stage you're at, and if you go ahead with treatment, how long it'll be before you actually get any results with that treatment. So there it is. This is what it might look like actually having a consultation. So you've got the trichologist there. She's got a magnified camera there. She's taking some magnified views of the various points on the scalp. So it's very common there. And another thing the second thing that's provided in the consultation is you'll be given other information, such as the cause of your hair loss. They'll look at, if you're interested in treatment, they might look at the past clients' photo comparison results with results that we've had here in our clinics with our herbal treatments. You'll be given information about hair regrowth treatment options and their costs. So we'll look at some herbal treatments. You might be given other nutritional treatment options and their costs as well. And also you'll be advised about the importance of maintenance treatment, because with genetic hair loss, there's no cure for this. There's no permanent cure anyway. So ongoing maintenance treatment is needed. That's pretty much all I wanted to cover. I hope now people can see the importance of actually seeing a trichologist if you're having any hair loss issues. Before actually going, just going to your local pharmacy and picking up a pack from the shelf and purchasing it, or going to your supermarket and doing the same thing. Please do seek the advice of a qualified trichologist. As I mentioned, they are hair and scalp specialists. They're properly trained in this area, and they will give you the information that you need on what your problem is and what you can do to treat it, and all the information around that you need. We do have a bit more information on our website at oscare.com.au. Please visit the website when you have time if you want a bit more information on trichologists and how they assess and treat. And that's all we've got time for tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it and learnt what a trichologist does. And please do seek their services if you're serious about doing something about your hair loss condition. Thanks again, and we will see you next month.